On this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Hamster Combat 50,000 token. All right, so if you are joining my channel for the first time, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you won't miss out. All right, so I'm going to show you a lot of things. I'm going to show you how you can link your toekeeper, like the toekeeper, to your Hamster Combat. All right, and how you can increase your daily boosting on Hamster Combat. All right, so you can be getting more of coin. Okay, so let's dive in. All right, so if you can see, if you have Telegram, I'm using my computer to do it. So if you have a Telegram, just open it. Right. All right, so you can see now. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to click on play. All right, so I'm going to launch my Hamster Combat app so I can play the game now. Right, so I'll claim this one. All right, so I'm typing. Keep tapping on your screen so you earn more coin. All right, so let me finish tapping, then we continue again. Okay, please make sure you like this video. All right, at the end of this video, you will learn how I managed to gain the 50,000 airdrop token. I'm going to reveal it to you, so you just have to be patient and watch this video to the end. So now let's go. I'm going to show you how you can increase your boost. You boost again, then you can tap as many as you can. Okay, so I'm tapping again. All right, so you keep tapping until you tap everything. All right, so I'm done tapping. Let me tap the rest. Let me finish it up. Okay, so now let's go back here. So let's go to, I want you to go to this Hamster Combat airdrop. If you don't have it on your channel, just tap Hamster Combat airdrop. That is the place everything is going to take place. All right, so this particular one, I want you to double tap until you break the screen, then you click on claim. Right now I'm connecting my wallet. All right, make sure you pay attention to this video to teach you. Right, so I'm trying to connect my wallet now. All right, so if your wallet is not connected to your Hamster Combat, in this video I'm going to review how you can connect your wallet. Right, so let's go. So this is it. Since I'm on my system, I'm going to use my phone, right, to scan it. All right, so this is it. All right, let me see if I can connect it here from the website. So, but if I can't, I think I just have to go back to my phone so I can connect it on my phone. Make sure you pay attention to this video, right? Okay. All right, okay. All right, let me go back to my Telegram. I wanted to connect it from my system direct, but nevertheless, we can still do it. So here, I'm going to try on either I recovered or I create another ton space. You can actually create a wallet through Telegram without downloading any app. I've done that before, but on this video, I'm going to like go through all the process again, so you will learn how I linked my Tone wallet. All right, so I'm trying to get a code to my email so I can verify it. Right, so I'm going to type the code here now. This happened because I have a wallet direct with the Telegram. Right, so you can tap wallet on your Telegram, then a bot will come up, then you can decide to create your Telegram with the bot, the Tone address, or any crypto wallet with Telegram. Right, so you can do it. But for now, we proceed. So, okay, you can decide to import manually or recover. All right, but for, I think here, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to, okay, I wanted to use my key phrase to log in here, right? But I'm going to put a hold to it so I can show you how you can do that easily. Before you do that, you need to link your Tone wallet to your Telegram. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to download my Tone Keeper on my iPhone, right? Then I'm going to create an account with that. So this is what I'm doing now. Search for it, right? So the first one that says Tone Keeper, make sure you download Tone Keeper. This is the one I'm using and it's working for me. It's really working for me. So I suggest you should go for it. All right, so this is it. I have an account already, so I don't have to create an account again. So what I'm going to do here is, uh, okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to, okay, if you can see where the right scan here, so I'm going to scan this wallet to my system, but before that, I'm going to look for a way to link this. So I will just copy this receive link from here. You can see receive there. I'm going to copy the receiver address, then I'll click on copy here. So once I finish copying this particular address, then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to link it. You can see how wonderful my Hamster Combat is making profit for me. So go to your airdrop tags, then connect your wallet. You can see I connect it already, but I'm going to take it off so we can do it together. Right? So now let's proceed. Okay, so you can see, all right, so I'm going to click on the Tone Keeper. You can see the Tone Keeper there. So I'm going to make use of that to link it. All right, so I'll click on yes. So notification, enable notification, connect wallet. So I'm going to click on connect wallet, use my Face ID, then boom, we are good to go. Correct. So you can see success. So it says we are good to go. So the next thing now, we are going to claim the 50,000 airdrop I told you. So if you're on this page with me, congratulations. So let's go. All right, so I'm going to, like I said, search for Hamster Combat airdrop, right? After you might have linked it, make sure you search for Hamster Combat airdrop. You can see the Tone wallet is connected already. You can see.
So tap on this airdrop icon like 3 to 4 times. All right, so let's claim it. So you can see this is awesome. This is awesome. This is 50,000. Then click on confirm. Then you have to wait a little bit until the transaction completes. All right, so you can see. All right, so let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. It's going to take a while, but trust me, it's going to be successful. We are good to go. You can see. You can see the amounts. So this is awesome. This is great. So just hold on, take your time, and it's going to be a successful one. So after you done claiming, then check your wallet. So you go straight to your wallet and you are going to see it there. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you like this video, right? So you can claim that for 5 times, but now I'm going to scan it on my phone to go straight to my wallet. So I think the process was slow, so I'm going to use my phone to scan it. So I'll go to my Tone wallet with my phone, then like I said, scan. You can see scan on my phone there. Then I will use the scan method to scan it. So I just make this one so you know that you can use your phone to scan from your system. All right, so this is what I'm doing now. You can see. So just scan it and you got the token coin. That is your wallet address. All right, that is your wallet address. If you copy it, you can see that either you disconnect because the wallet is connected, so you can only see disconnect there. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to share it so you can claim as many as you want, right? So you can go back there, tap this icon 2 or 3 times. Tap this icon 2 or 3 times, then you can claim it again. You got, this is another amount, then you click on claim. All right, once you click on claim, it's going straight to your wallet. After you're done claiming this, then you can go to your wallet to see how much is this token to see how much is this token. You can see you got, this is the amount of the coin. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to others, right? Share this video to others.